Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, May 8th, 2026. Today's program covers key movements across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Major indexes mostly experienced gains today, led by the Nasdaq Composite Index, which surged by 1.7% to a new all-time high, closing at 26,247.8. The S&P 500 index also reached a new high, closing at 7,397.43, while the Dow 30 index rose slightly. Analyzing market breadth, despite the gains in the S&P 500 index and Nasdaq Composite Index, decliners outpaced advancers for both. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 index showed strength with more advancers. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index leads with a week-to-date gain of 4.51%, displaying robust upward momentum. The S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index and the Russell 2000 Index also show impressive performances, with year-to-date returns above 11%. In sector performance, technology achieved the best results, climbing 2.7% to a new high, marking its fourth consecutive day of gains. Consumer cyclical also advanced by 0.5%, maintaining a strong upward trend. Basic materials broke out upward after consistent sideways movement. Utilities led the declines, falling 0.9% as it continues a six-day downtrend, accompanied by downward volatility. Healthcare and financial services sectors also saw declines over the past 2 days, with negative trends taking hold. Globally, South Korea's ETF surged by 7.6%, reaching a new all-time closing high. Both the Taiwan and Israel ETFs also hit record highs today, reflecting robust positive trends. For returns, South Korea's ETF stands out with a remarkable year-to-date gain exceeding 95.6%. Taiwan and Israel exhibit significant growth as well, with positive trends and increasing returns. Let's turn to the technology sector. Apple closed the day up by 5.81, reaching a new all-time high of 293.26 amid a very strong positive trend. Alphabet also hit a fresh high, ending 4 consecutive days of upward movement to close at 397.5. Meanwhile, Amazon closed at 272.68, gaining 1.51. Notably, Meta Platforms declined 7.25 to close at 609.56, displaying a strong bearish trend. Finally, NVIDIA gained 3.71, ending the session at 215.22, continuing its upward momentum for the third straight day.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently up at 80,213.21, gaining 207.83. It's showing a strong positive trend. Moving to Ethereum, it is at 2,310.77, up by 19.96, but exhibiting a mixed negative trend. BNB is rising, valued at 648.22, increasing by 11.27, also with a mixed positive trend. Solana is up strong at 92.39, with an increase of 3.99 amidst very strong upward volatility. Finally, Dogecoin is up to 0.1093, gaining 0.0014, trending mixed positively. The week saw Solana leading with a weekly total return of 10.11%, an impressive 1.96% average daily gain. BNB follows with a weekly total return of 5.02%, while Ethereum lagged with a negative week-to-date return. Bitcoin and Dogecoin showed resilience, but this week is not your year-to-date favorite, as all slipped over 20% year-to-date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Today, the US dollar is declining against major currencies. It fell against the euro and the British pound, with both showing strong negative trends. The yen and Swiss franc also saw downward movements. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar strengthened, pushing the USD toward an all-time lower close.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.